All right, we have more news coming in. Now, BJP has withdrawn the first list of candidates it had released for Jammu and Kashmir elections. BJP candidates list will be re-released. BJP to amend and re-release the Jammu and Kashmir poll list. It's withdrawn the Jammu and Kashmir first candidate list that it had released and will be re-releasing this. Piyush Mishra has got more details on that story. Piyush, if you could just give us an idea about what's really going on, because this is rather unusual, isn't it?
Well, absolutely, it's rather unusual. For the first time, as we are seeing as to how the BJP has, decided to revisit the list, and we can expect the revised list to be released in a short while from now. A couple of minutes back, BJP had released a list of 44 candidates for Jammu and Kashmir assembly polls. But what we are learning is that a revised and a fresh list likely to be released in a few minutes from now. And before that, what we are also hearing is that a crucial meeting is underway at Home Minister Amit Shah's residence, where the senior BJP leaders from the state are present at his residence, and Jammu Kashmir LG Manoj Sinha is also there. So hectic parleys are underway, and we can expect a fresh list to be announced by Bharatiya Janata Party in a few minutes from now. Few minutes back, in fact, BJP had released its first list, but now it seems that BJP has withdrawn this list and fresh list can be announced. Remember that BJP had given tickets to various new faces. Veterans were dropped. So in the fresh list, we can expect senior leaders of BJP to be given the opportunity. So that is why we are now seeing active parleys which are right now underway at Home Minister Amit Shah. And as and when it gets clear, we will update our viewers.
All right, Piyush Mishra getting in those details as far as the list withdrawal is concerned. Remember, the BJP released their list for the Jammu and Kashmir elections and has now withdrawn this list. It is to amend and re-release the Jammu and Kashmir poll list once again. Piyush is in fact getting in more details on that story. Continues to be with us. Piyush, like you were telling us, this is rather unusual. As far as the elections are concerned, this undoubtedly is an uphill task for the Bharatiya Janata Party, like it is for many other parties, and also a test of the decision that it had taken vis-a-vis abrogation of Article 370.
Well, absolutely, Sneha, it's going to be a litmus test for Bharatiya Janata Party, as after the abrogation of Article 370 and Article 35A, the elections are taking place for the first time, and it was the long-pending demand of various opposition parties where they were asking for elections to take place. And now what we are hearing is that Jammu and Kashmir LG is now coming out. We can straight away beam on the live visuals, so they are now coming in from the residence of Home Minister Amit Shah. Jammu and Kashmir LG Manoj Sinha is now coming out of his residence. The meeting which was going on at Home Minister's residence, it seems like it has now come to an end. J&K LG Manoj Sinha is now seen leaving from Amit Shah's residence. Yes, these are the live visuals coming in from Home Minister's residence. So the meeting has now come to an end. A few other leaders are still present, though, inside the residence of Home Minister Amit Shah, but J&K LG has just left from his residence, and now we can expect a fresh list also to be announced by BJP. And as far as the BJP's strategy is concerned, what we are learning is that BJP likely to contest on around 60 to 70 seats in Jammu and Kashmir assembly elections, and other seats, remaining seats, there are strategies which are being made by BJP. What we are given to understand is that on remaining seats, BJP is likely to support the independent candidates who have the strong presence in the seats where BJP has decided not to contest. So BJP is still formulating its strategy. Yesterday there was a late night meeting took place at the Bharatiya Janata Party headquarters, where PM Narendra Modi was also present. The deliberations took place on all three phases, and today in its first list BJP has announced the names of around 44 candidates. 15 from first phase, 10 from second phase, and 19 from third phase. 44 candidates list has been announced by BJP, but we can expect some changes, and that is why the meetings are taking place at Home Minister Amit Shah's residence. J&K LG Manoj Sinha has just left from his residence. We can expect a revisit to the list and a revised list, which most likely be announced by BJP in few minutes from now.
All right. Unusual move by the BJP, but they've done it. They've amended the list and they're going to be re-releasing the first list of candidates for the Jammu and Kashmir assembly elections.